Student, today I am going to teach remaining part of MySQL. The first topic is condition based on range, means between operator. Student, this operator provide a facility to extract the record on the basis of given range. For example, select I code, describe QoH from items where QoH between 30 and 50, means here we are extracting of those records which are lie between 30 to 50, and this 30 and 50 also will be considered. For example, student, this is the record of EMPL, and here I want to extract or find the records of those employees whose salary in the range of 800 to 3000. So for this we have to write select asterisk from EMPL where salary 800 and 3000. So this is the correct output, and suppose that if I want to show the records of those employees whose salary not in the range of 800 to 3000, we have to use not between. We suppose that here Amir record is showing his record is not in the range of 800 to 3000. Next topic is condition based on list. This is also known as list operator. Student, list operator provide a facility to extract the records on a given list. For example, select asterisk from member where city in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Bangalore. Here the record of member will be displayed if that member exists from these cities. For example, here I am going to extract the record of those employees who are posted on color, analyst or manager post. So for this we have to write select asterisk from EMPL where job in manager analyst. This is the example of list operator, and if we want to show the records of those employees who are not posted on color, manager and analyst. For this we have to use not in operator. Not in. So that's clear. What is the use of not in operator? And next is condition based on pattern match. The student pattern match provide a facility to find the record on a specific clue or specific patterns. In the pattern match, we can use percentage sign, and this percentage sign can be used for more than one character, and underscore will be used for only one missing character. For example, SAN percent means here information will be started with SAN, and after that any character or many character will be possible. And percentage IDGE percentage means middle character is IDGE, and before IDGE 0 character or more than one character, and after that IDGE 0 character or more than one character. For example, this, and this is the 4 time underscore means by using this we can show the records of those employee who have only 4 characters in the name, and 4 character and the percentage means we can show the starting 4 character, and after that many character we can show the records of those employee. For example, that's clear. Student, in this query we are showing the records of those employee whose starting character is A, and after that any characters. And not like. The student, in the not like, just opposite of like means in the not like A percentage means only those records are showing whose starting character is not A. And next is searching for null. Searching for null. The student, this null operator is used to find the records of those records whose value is null. For example, here we want to find the records of those employees who are not getting any commission. So this is the use of null operators. And next is not null. Is not null means it is just opposite of null operator. In this query we are finding the output of those employees who are getting commission. And next is sorting result order by class. Student, this class provides a facility to arrange the records in ascending or descending order. For example, and this is the syntax of order by class. First of all, we have to write select column names from table name, where, condition, and after that we have to proceed order by, and then we have to write the name of column. And if we want to find the record in ascending order, then we have to use ASC after column names, and otherwise we have to use DESC. For example, this is the record of employee. Suppose that I want to find the records of employee in the ascending order of salary. So we have to write the query select asterisk from EMPL, where salary order by salary ASC. And if we want to find the record in the descending order of the salary, so we have to use order by salary, and here we have to proceed descending. And if we are not writing anything ASC or DSC, then record will be considered in the ascending order. That's clear. So what is the use of order by class? And second, we can also use order by in the web class also. So suppose that we want to find the records of only salesmen in the ascending order of the salary. So for this, where job equals to salesman order by this is the use of order by class. And next topic is how to perform the simple calculation. Students, if you want to calculate any arithmetic calculation or string calculation, then we can use by using the dual tables. This table is predefined tables, and that table consists only one row and one column. For example, select 4 into 6 from D1, sqrt 225. So this function find the square root of given number. We can also find select lower, select lower in a from diver. This is the example of dual table, and this table mainly used for the arithmetic calculation, string calculation, and in the other work also. The students distinct keywords. These keywords provide a facility to display the record in the unique manner or unique form. You suppose that I want to display the records of job, then all records of the job will be displayed including duplicate value, but when we precede distinct keyword before the job field, then it will show in the unique order. For example, select job from EMPL. Here 14 records, 14 rows is displaying, and if we write select distinct job from EMPL, so it is only showing 5 row because all duplicate value is removing. This is the use of distinct keyword. And next is group by. The students, group by is also a class, and this class used when we want to show the information in the group. For example, in the employee table there are many employees who are posted on the different posts, and if we want to find the number of employee according to job, so in this situation we can use order by clause. But there is some restriction with the group by clause. In the group by clause we have to use at least one aggregate function. So first of all, I want to draw your attention on aggregate function. Student, this type of the function takes full values of a column, and after processing it will give only one output. Such type of the function are known as group by function. That type of the function is known as aggregate function. For example, sum, max, mean, count star. For example, select max salary from employee. So this is the example of group function, because this function takes the full value of salary, and after processing it will give only one value. That's why this is the aggregate function. Students, I will discuss next topic in the next video. Bye.